Hey beauties, today in this video I have some hair from EAYON Hair. Now a little bit about EAYON Hair. They are an online brand and they offer human hair wigs, human hair crochet braids, and they also offer human hair braiding hair. In your pack you get a hair clip, you get a crochet latch hook, and I got 3 bundles of boho crochet box braids. This hair is human hair. You get 2 bundles in each pack. And the hair has no smell. And this hair is 18-inch and the color 1B. And the crochet hair is human hair. And it's so soft and you can reuse this hair. You can wash it. But really nice hair. Here is the loop on the braid. These braids are made really well, and you get 20 braids per bundle. So in one pack there are 40 braids in that pack. Here's my braid method. If you would like to see how I did this braid method, I will link my video down below, or I will put it in the iCards. So for my sides, I like to insert my latch hook going down just so I can have the knot concealed. So when I pull it up in a ponytail, you won't see that knot. And I do this for both sides. And this is a beginner-friendly braid method. If you want to check it out, I will link that video down below. Now, you don't have to do all these boxes. You can just do 2 rows of boxes in the front and then the rest cornrows. When I was crocheting my hair in the front, I inserted the latch hook slanted a little bit, and it kind of made the hair lay a little bit better. And I mainly did this around the hairline. So right here, I think I had like 1 pack in. So once you get in the back, you want to crochet the hair on the cornrows 2 finger widths apart. And once I got all the hair in my head, I went back and just filled in some spaces. Here is the finished look. It turned out beautiful. It also reminds me of micro braids. Like, I kind of want micro braids now. I did apply some mousse and just a little hair oil on the hair. And I just want to show you the name of the brand again. It's EAYON Hair. I will link all the information down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, and please share. And I will see you in my next video. Peace, love, and unity.